Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from HookedInLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I will show you how to make a homemade canvas using cardboard, fabric and gesso, and I will do a short demo on Pichwai art. So let's begin. We will take a cardboard. The size depends on your wish, and I'm using a cotton fabric. You can always recycle old fabric in this art, and we will stick the fabric to the cardboard using the Fevicryl fabric glue. Okay, so we will cut the corners in this manner and stick the sides of the fabric to the cardboard like this. We will stick all the four sides of the fabric to the cardboard with the fabric glue and cut out the corner portions in this manner. And let our work to dry. So the fabric has been attached to the cardboard. Now we will be adding a layer of gesso on top of it. So in my previous video I showed you how to make a gesso at home. You can also buy gesso online or in local market, however they are quite pricey. The homemade gesso is really cheap, means you can make this at 5 rupees or 10 rupees maximum. So I made this gesso at home. You can check out my old video. Gesso is actually a primer. We will add a layer of primer on top of the fabric because this will make the surface suitable for acrylic painting, and the surface really hard. The gesso is made up of talcum powder or plaster of Paris and Fevicol and water. So you need to see my previous video on how I made the gesso. However, in this portion we are adding a layer of gesso on top of our fabric and we will let it dry. So our canvas is now ready. I made an outline of the Pichwai art and now I'm painting on it. This art is really easy and very beautiful. I made lotuses, lotus buds and stems, and it's really bright and colorful. So paint it according to your own imagination. Okay. The canvas you get to buy at market or online are really pricey. However, in this tutorial I showed you how to make canvas at really zero amount because the cardboard is recycled, the fabric is recycled, and on top of it I added a layer of gesso, and which costs nearly 10 rupees. So it's really cheap, isn't it? You can always make these homemade canvases for your daily practices, and these are really good. And I chose to do a demo on the Pichwai art because this is really beautiful and the end result is also satisfactory. So just enjoy the painting or do it yourself, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. we are doing the final shading of the background, and our Pichwai art is nearly completed. I hope you like this tutorial. At the end, we will add a border. I added a black colored border. Isn't this looking very pretty? You can use this as a wall decor or a showpiece because it's really very pretty. So with this, my Pichwai art and the canvas making tutorial ends. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I have a website at www.hooked-in-loops.com. I write my creative blogs in my website, so you will just love it. My channel is filled with loads of crafts tutorials, so you will just love it here. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.